Look at this problem. On C block, B and A are moving with uniform speed over the surface of C. B is sliding horizontal direction, A is sliding vertically downward direction over the C. And A mass is 2 kg and B mu equals to 0.2 and spring constant K is 1960 Newton per meter. And B and A blocks are moving with uniform speed. And B, what is the mass of the B and energy stored in the spring? That is the given question to us. So before going to solve this problem, what are the forces acting on the blocks? On this is 2 kg block. On this 2 is acting downward direction. At the same time, in the string tension act upward direction. Along this string, tension everywhere same. That's why here tension T. Here string and pulleys are massless and frictionless. And B block is sliding over the surface of C. At the same time, frictional force act opposite direction. F. Here on the 2 kg block, what are the forces are acting? On block A, T equals to 2G. Let us take equation 1. On B block, block B, tension force, frictional force, both are equal and opposite because this is in uniform speed moving. And frictional force, tension force both are equal and opposite direction. T equals to F. On this B block, weight is acting downward. Mass of the B block is assumed as mb. Here mb into G act downward direction. At the same time, normal reaction act upward direction. Here F equals to mu into N. Here mu value 0.2 into N value mb into G. Let us take this is equation 2. From 1 and 2 what we can write? F equals to 2G. Here F value is 0.2 into mb into G which is equal to 2G. Here GG gets cancelled. 0.2 here mb equals to 2 by 0.2. This value mb equals to 10 kilogram. This is the first question answer. The next question is energy stored in a spring. In this spring, what is the energy stored? Need to find out. For that, find the tension. To find the tension from equation 1, what we can write? From equation 1, T equals to 2G. Here T equals to 2 into 9.8, which is equal to 19.6 Newton. Here tension is 19.6 Newton. Now due to this tension, extension in the string is assumed as X. This X is extension in the in the spring. Now this x is directly proportional to t, that's why t equals to kx. K is the spring constant. From that x equals to t by k. Here t value is 19.6 upon k value is 1960, which is equals to 0.01 meter. Now our intention is to find energy stored in spring. Now U equals to of kx square of k value 1960. Now x square value 0.01 whole square. By calculating this value 0.098 joule U. This is the second question answer.